Hello dear students, how are you? I hope that you would be preparing well for your exams. Okay, so the purpose of this video is just to make you aware about the common errors which the students mostly repeat in the directed writing. So in this video I will just focus especially on the format and some other main points which you have to take care before attempting your that directed writing. So first of all, let's discuss the main points which you have to uh, keep in mind if you are going to attempt article in the paper if it comes. Okay, so first of all, it is important just to know the meaning of this word article. Article means that piece of writing which is particularly intended for the publication in a newspaper, magazine or journal. Okay, so you have to take care of the language, the words which you will choose. Okay, so it should be a formal one, it should not be informal. Okay, so take care of this thing. Okay, so you can't write anything in the magazine. Okay, you can't write anything in the newspaper, so there is a very we can say that careful watch is needed. Okay, whenever you think to write about the article in the exam. Okay, so a good article should have the following elements, so focus on these elements. Okay, so first point is an eye-catching title. So eye-catching title should be there. Okay, so for example here it is, one sample is for you. Okay, India is a country of extremes. Then you have to give an introduction. So in introduction what you have to take care, which defines, so your introduction should define the topic to be covered and keep the readers interest intact. Okay, so then the next is main body. Okay, so main body of two to five paragraphs in which the topic is further developed. Okay, and the conclusion. Okay, summarizing the topic or giving the final opinion, recommendation of comment. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can write your article in 2 to 5 paragraphs. Okay, so main thing is the introduction. Okay, in which you will just cover that what you are going to discuss, and in the concluding paragraph, okay, you have to sum up all the details. Okay, so let's move forward towards the book review. Okay, so it is very important from the point of view of exams. Okay, so here in book review what you have to take care, the title, that which the review of which book you are going to give, an author, publisher, number of pages and price. This first point, okay, is very technical. Okay, so a very technical point, okay, in the format, so please don't avoid even a single that thing out of these. Okay, so first title, author, publisher, number of pages and price. Okay, so take care of this thing. So an opening sentence to set the tone of the review, giving the overall feel of the work. Okay, so here the introduction which will set the tone. Okay, that it is in the favor, did you like or dislike the book. Okay, then the genre of the book, that it is fiction or non-fiction. Okay, so a concise summary of the plot. Concise means you not have to give the detail over detail, so you can't spoil the that suspense of the reader, so you just have to be brief. Okay, so outstanding idea that run through the book. Okay, so that readers, okay, can read that book, so it should be from that perspective. Okay, specific references from the book to highlight its unique point. Okay, so you can just highlight some important points. Okay, so that readers can think to read about that book. Okay, so overall impression of the work including its shortcoming if any. So this is the important point which you have to take care. Overall impression of the work including its shortcoming if there is any. Okay. Okay, so here's the format. Okay, so it is becoming. Okay, author is Michelle Obama, publisher Viking. Okay, format it's hardcover. Okay, so pages 448, price 570. Okay, so like this you can start your book review. So then there is film review. So in the film review, which thing you have to take care? Firstly, the name of the movie. Okay, then the cast means the that who are the actors actresses in that movie. Okay, then the name of the director. Okay, so here also the one similarity is there which you have to take care. Okay, it should be brief and it should not that over explained. Okay, so some students they just write the complete story of the movie in the book review. It should not reveal the suspense of the movie. Okay, so here the main characters and they are portrayed by the actors that, for example, in the movie, okay, the director is casting Salman Khan. So in which role the audience is going to see Salman Khan in that movie? Okay, so you can just keep in mind the movie Sultan. So he was a wrestler in that movie. So such kind of details you can reveal. Technical art aspects you can give. Okay, so these are the details which you have to which you can mention. Okay, so message of the film, if there is any, so then the overall impression of the film you can give. Okay, so then the proposal writing. Okay, so we have four kind of proposals. So business proposal, grant proposal, research proposal, and project based proposal. Okay, so from the names only it is very clear that it is for the business purpose. So here to get the help, so it is such kind, I mean some kind of research. So here project based proposal. Okay, so why do we have proposal writing? So a proposal literally means a plan or a suggestion, especially a formal or written. Okay, so which is put forward for the considerations by other. Proposal, however, are of different types based on the type, okay, of the content. Okay, so some of these include the following. So with these we have already discussed. Okay, so what is proposal means just to put forward your points. Okay, for that related to any event which you are going to organize. Okay, for example, that you want a book fair in your school. Okay, so you will just propose your suggestion to the principal. Okay, that which things you have that planned. Okay, and how you are going to manage. So your proposal you will put forward, okay, to principal, okay, of your school. So so such kind of statement you can get. So one thing you have to take care, so from the statement only you can get your required material for the format. So this is the format. Okay, so you can just go through your book also. Okay, so first of all, proposal for setting up a skill development center. So it was setting up a skill development center. So from this that statement only, just add proposal for. Okay, so proposal for setting up a skill development center. Okay, then the heading introduction. Okay, that what kind of skills, okay, would be there. Okay, in development center. Then the list of measure you can give. So here I just want to get your attention that here you just have to write this introduction maximum 2 sentences. Okay, so then in objectives you have to give minimum 2 points which are of 2 marks, list of measures. Okay, so providing how to set up. So the list of measures is which things you have taken care to that make that skill development center successful. So you have appointed the teachers, arranging the tools, so fund to be raised. So such so minimum 4 points you have to mention over there. Then the last, the concluding line. Okay, it should be also in one or maximum 2 sentences. Okay, so I suggest you that you write it better it in one single sentence only. Okay, so then there would be linguistic ability, okay, in which they will just check the language, okay, your that grammatical accuracy will be that assessed. Okay, so take care of these things. So okay, so these are the main points which you have to take care. Okay, so hope so that you will definitely keep all these in points which are discussed with you in this video. Okay, and this is the one of the most scoring part, okay, and easy to, so just little bit attention is needed. So hope so that you will definitely pay the attention and you will definitely keep in mind whatever is shared with you through this video. So this is the end of the video. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye, take care, and best of luck for your exams.